Welcome to this episode of In the Kitchen. I am Coach Allisha, and I'm going to be showing you our Veggie Quinoa Salad. I snagged this recipe from an old cookbook that we had, and this recipe was submitted by Kristi Long, so thank you, Kristi. So what we're going to do first is, I have a bag of tri-colored quinoa, and then you want to make sure that you actually rinse your quinoa first. So you're going to take 1 cup of dry quinoa and rinse it. It's actually suggested on the package, so make sure that you get that taken care of first. And then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of your olive oil, a cup of, I just grabbed some chicken broth just to add some flavor. And so 1 cup of that, and then 1 cup or half cup of water. And you want to bring that to a boil in a pot, and then add your rinsed quinoa. Okay, so you're going to prep that. So I've already actually prepped my quinoa ahead of time. You want to allow it to cool, and then you are going to mix in your other ingredients from there. So I'm going to go ahead and put this quinoa into the bowl first. Quinoa can be messy, so I want to make sure that I don't make too big of a mess while adding this into the bowl. And then from there, we're going to add our other colorful veggie ingredients. All right, only got a couple things on the table, so we're good. So the other ingredients that we have that we're going to add to our quinoa is, first I'm going to start with, I have already chopped up all of my veggies ahead of time. So I have 1 sweet pepper. I actually went with yellow just to add the color. I have a whole cucumber chopped, 1 large green onion, and then a cup of tomatoes halved. And I'm actually going to, it also calls for a tablespoon of chives. So I'm going to, it says finely chopped. I'm going to just use my scissors, and we're going to just cut these into that. I guessed about what, oops, that one somehow bounced out of the bowl. That one did too. It's okay. If you're at home making this, maybe your dogs will eat that off the floor for you. So once I get these chives in there, we're going to go ahead and add in our already chopped vegetables. And I have shown on the table here all the other ingredients that you will need. Just a little bit more. That looks good. Okay. And then we are going to add in, so there's our green onion, cucumbers, getting our tomatoes in there, all the beautiful colors. Variety is key with these types of recipes. I might have needed a bigger bowl. Now we got this. Oops. Well, just a few made it on the table. We're going to mix that up, and then I'm going to add in my garlic and leftover olive oil that I need, and some lemon juice. Oh, this is already looking so pretty. All right, then we're gonna need, where is it? 1/3 cup of lemon juice. I've got that here. Add that in. And then we need, I think it's another 1/4 cup of olive oil. So this is your healthy fats. Whoop. Got a little extra healthy fats in there. And then last but not least, our garlic. You can also add salt and pepper, but you don't have to. Garlic is 1 clove. So if you're, I already grabbed some minced garlic, so we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of that in there. We will finish mixing, and you will see, other than the prep time to cut the ingredients and cook your quinoa and then letting it cool, this was an extremely easy and healthy veggie quinoa salad. Let us know if you try it out. Thank you.